just going to add this section in before the video starts. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the Camaro, just updates and stuff like that, general stuff, when we plan on having the car running. And I figured I'd just add this into the video and show you guys Logan's truck. I'll probably do a more in-depth video eventually on it, but Logan has the old 06 Silverado with the LQ9 6.0. Got a stage 4 BTR cam in it, and it's open headers pretty much, so it's a bit rowdy. So basically also just an update for Logan's truck. He's planning on putting some 15x10s on it pretty soon, so we'll probably do a video on that, just showing what it looks like and stuff like that. So hopefully this thing will hook up once he has 15x10s on it, but I guess we'll find out. All right, we had a successful trip to Rizzles. I got a 15 mil ratcheting wrench, and this ran me 20 bucks. It says lifetime guarantee. Sorry, Dylan, it's not Snap-on. I know it's anything that's not Snap-on is a piece of junk, but here we are leaving. Nice and rowdy. Alright, what's up fellas? So today I'm basically just going to do an update video, just on general stuff about the car and what we have coming. So we just got new seats for the car. They are out of a 2011 SS Camaro. Looks pretty good. As you can see, the other one's scooted up right now. This one's all the way here. They're not actually in yet. We still need to build brackets for it, but once they're in, it's going to be pretty cool. We have the back seats for this as well, and then we're just gonna have to chop this middle part out and have it reupholstered. It's coming together some. Got the shifter right here. Can lock it into first, and then then you can ratchet it. And yeah, pretty nice. So basically, after the seats are put in and stuff, obviously we'll be able to sit in it and hopefully roll it out of the garage and stuff. I actually just also ordered a bunch of brake parts, and by brake parts I mean just brake lines and a master cylinder. So that's on the way. The master cylinder is already here actually, and the brake lines are. I think we're missing a couple lines still, but they'll get here eventually. We have the rebuild kit right there for the drums. We're just gonna rebuild the drums for now because it's cheaper. And then got to do the wiring on the whole car. That's going to be expensive, and we are going to be running an intake fuel pump on that one just so it can not heat up as much. People say out of tank ones are louder and they kind of burn up easier, so we're just going to do that. So we're wanting to be able to drive the car within the next few months. So as of right now, it is March. We're hoping to be able to drive it by May. That's the goal right now. We also may need to get gears for the car eventually. Initially, just to drive it, I don't think we're gonna need gears, but whenever the time comes where we actually wanna go fast, we're gonna need gears, because the car actually came with 241s in the back. So if anyone knows anything about gears, you know that's really bad. So, I mean, we'll see. We'll drive it with 241 gears for a little bit, probably just to see how bad it really is. And it's probably going to be a dog anywhere from like 0 to 60. Over 60 it may pull like a little bit for half a second, and then as soon as you shift gears it's back down in the shedder. I think we're going to have to put 323 gears in this car to begin with. 323 or 342s I think, because since the car's a 3-speed, I still want to be able to drive at highway speeds and stuff like that without wrapping out the motor. So because of that, we're probably gonna have to run 323 gears. But hopefully the torque from the 6.0 will be able to make up for that bottom end at least. As of for when the time comes to run the car, we're just going to run it on the Holley Terminator X system and do the bass tune that the actual computer makes. So whenever you do the bass tune on that and bass start it, it only changes AFR. So whenever your gonna pop up the words right here. I can't speak today. The air-fuel ratio is just constantly changing, so that's the only downside to the Holley system. Whenever it's learning, it's constantly changing AFR and constantly adjusting. So as a base tune and just to drive it around and stuff like that, make sure there aren't any leaks or any problems, we're gonna be running that base tune. The only thing with the Holley base tune as well, with the learning system, is that it does not change timing from what I have learned and from what I've seen online. Most say that it doesn't change timing, so whenever it's time to actually go fast, we're gonna have to mess with timing and try to set given AFR amounts so it's not constantly changing. Now, also, you can't see it right now, but we have the mini tubs going right now. You can kind of see it back there. We got mini tubs that we are welding in. Come around on this side. There you go, you can see it. The mini tubs. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to make a quick update video on what's going on and what are the plans for the car. And I appreciate you guys for watching. Be sure to stay tuned for the next video. Hopefully we'll be putting a lot of stuff together, and I'll catch you later.